Hi, I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to be showing you all the different features included with Apple CarPlay. Now, this feature is available with most new cars and some old cars, and it really just makes navigating your phone safe and easy. Now, there's lots of different features included, and I'm going to show you some of the main important ones today. To start off, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth or by USB cord. It is up to you how you want to do it and if the car does support the Bluetooth option. It just makes it easier and you don't have to faff around with different wires. So once you have connected your phone to the car, this is the screen which will show up. Now you can see this is a touchscreen included in this BMW, but you can also use the main dial which controls the main digital display with Apple CarPlay. Now here you can see all the different options available, as well as your battery percentage of your mobile phone, signal and even your data. Now going on to maps, you can see how easy it is to put in new destinations as you have got the keyboard or even your speech option. You can also use Apple Maps or Google Maps, whichever you prefer is supported. Another feature included is your phone calls. Now this is where you can accept or decline calls as well as make calls by going through all of your different contacts. It really is easy to use, and if you need to get hold of someone quickly, it can all be done from the touch of a button. Now another great thing is you can get your messages displayed on this display as well. So if it's an important message, it will show up here, and Siri will even announce messages if you have that option turned on. This means you can see what the message says without needing to look at the screen. Another amazing thing about Apple CarPlay is that you can control your music easily from this display. Now it supports Apple Music as well as Spotify, so you can choose which platform to use. As you can see here, I am going through all of my different playlists and picking the best one for me. You can also search different playlists and artists to find the best one for you. Now all you have to do is click the one that you want to play, and you can even have it showing on the main display. So you can have all your different apps up as well as your maps, and it makes it easier to control. Now you can control it from your steering wheel or on the main display. It is completely up to you, but you can see how effortlessly it changes the songs as well as pauses and plays the music. Now, just like with your Apple phone, you can change different settings included. Now you can announce messages, which I've previously touched on with Siri, and you can even change the wallpaper background. This really does make it unique to you, and just like your phone, you can have it looking the way you want it. Just quickly showing you how the steering wheel function does come in. All you have to do is hold down the microphone button on your steering wheel and Siri will be activated. Now this is where you can ask it questions as well as change your songs and even reply to messages, all without even needing to take your eyes off of the road. So that was the end of the quick tutorial of how to use Apple CarPlay in your vehicle. Hopefully this can give you an insight of how well Apple CarPlay can be used when it is used right. It should also give you more confidence with going through the different features and suiting it best to you. We would just like to say thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you enjoyed it. We also hope that you enjoy your time in your vehicle with your new knowledge of how to use Apple CarPlay.